Just picked up these LED bulbs for our chandelier. They're 40-watt equivalent, daylight temperature range. They're the Great Value brand. They're LED, 300 lumen. And I've got a few LED bulbs that I've put throughout the house. So I picked these up. The bulbs in our chandelier burned out. I picked these up to see, to hope that, they're going to be as good as what these other LED bulbs are. What I like about LED bulbs is they last a long time. Very seldom do you actually have to replace one. In fact, this one here claims 13-year lifespan. So, I haven't replaced one yet, as far as one burning out and having to replace it. So I'm going to put these in. We're going to fire it up and see what they look like compared to what the other bulbs were. I wish I had a regular bulb to put in there to compare it to, but they're all burned out. The chandelier actually holds 6 bulbs. This is a 4-pack. I didn't want to buy 2 of these yet, because I wanted to just try to see. I wanted to see if the temperature range and the light output, if I was going to be happy with it before I bought another pack to replace the other 2 bulbs. I think this is like $7 at Walmart. But yeah, I wanted to. I thought, let me videotape this, and in case other people are wondering if these LED bulbs are worth getting or not. Anyway, let me show you the chandelier, and we'll, there's my dog. Hey there, buddy. What do you think? Okay. I guess he thinks it's probably going to be all right. So here's the chandelier. This is in our office, in my wife's office. This is actually normally a formal dining room. We don't have any family down here where we live, so we don't use this for a formal dining room. So we just turned it into an office. Anyway, let me. There's a regular incandescent light, and they all burned out one by one. They burned out. We was actually operating this chandelier with just one bulb for the past couple months, and then it finally went. So whenever it's dark at nighttime, of course, it's dark in here, so it was it's been time to actually replace these. I just haven't thought about it whenever I'm at the store. But let me get these bulbs in there, and I'll turn it on and we'll see what they look like. Okay, so let me see if I can focus in on that a little bit. That's what they look like. They got like 4 individual filaments. Kind of weird. I'm curious to see what they look like. I'm going to turn it on. Find the switch. Okay, here we go. Wow, I like it. It's a real white light. Now the temperature range I got was daylight. I like the daylight temperature range. And I know you guys probably, it's a real white light. And it's perfect. It's the perfect temperature range. So I'm definitely going to get some more of these. I'll replace the other 2. And I'm actually, you know what? I think this other chandelier in here has got regular incandescence. I'll turn it on so you can hopefully you can see. I know a camera, I don't have this set up in manual mode, so it's going to auto adjust, the exposure and light temperature and everything. So let's try this. Yeah, this got the other type, or the same type bulbs in it. So here, I don't know if you can tell, that's a more yellow light. And some people like that. I mean, if you prefer a more yellowish light, then that's great. I prefer a white light. I like that daylight. I like it to look like it's the sun shining through the windows and lighting up the inside of the house. I can read better with daylight than this yellowish light. But depending on the color of your room and obviously just whether you like that temperature range or not, you know, that's fine. Like I say, that chandelier right here has got regular incandescent lights in it, which are just your typical, you know, yellowish type temperature range. Now I'm going to pan over here, and it might look bluish on the camera. Looking through the viewfinder, it looks like it could look like it's kind of a blue, but it's not. It is pure white. It's a pure white light. If I look at the wall behind it, the wall is the same color and shade as if we have the window open and have the sun shining in. It looks like it's just the sun shining in whenever I look at that wall. With these 4 LED bulbs going. Now real quick, I'm going to go from this one to this other one. See how that's kind of a more yellowish tint, which is fine if that's what you like. So there's the regular incandescent. There's the LED. I like the LED. I like whenever you look at the table, it looks, to me, it looks more, you know, more pleasing, I guess. So LED, a real white light, and then incandescent, more of that yellowish light that we grew up with. You know, these look like just your regular incandescents, like any other incandescent bulb for the most part. You know, I know that some incandescent bulbs had a wider, whenever they put that phosphorus inside the bulb, it would make it more white. But anyway, I'm probably going to change these out now that I think about it. I'm probably going to buy a few more packs of these and change these bulbs out also. I'm definitely going to get one more pack so that I can replace those other 2 bulbs. That'll make it even just a little bit more brighter in here. So there you go again. Incandescent, same type bulb. You know, it's those little small based bulbs. Now the LEDs are quite, you know, they are more expensive. Like I say, that pack of bulbs there, I think was like it was actually like $7.80 or something. Probably over $8 with tax and everything. I don't know. It's been a long time since I bought these incandescent bulbs this style. I don't know what the price is on those. I think they are more expensive than just a regular standard base bulb, but they're still going to be cheaper than the LED bulbs. But like I say, the LED bulbs, they last a long time. So real white light. I like it. Like I say, I've got LED bulbs in other parts of the house, and I prefer the daylight tint as opposed to the whatever the other, they got another name for the other tint. This particular, like I say, daylight. Oh, dimmable. I didn't want to get the dimmable. I guess I picked the wrong box up. These lights don't dim in here, so I probably spent more than what I needed to, because the dimmable bulbs are usually more expensive. But anyway, there you have it. Great value LED, small based chandelier bulbs. Have a great day.